free pot. Move melee. Do not cleave. Do not cleave. Okay. Can I jump on the quarter? This way? It's in range.
Sparafi.
Melee. This way. Get the ghoul. Get the ghoul. Perfect. Move melee.
Move.
Do not cleave. Okay, you can cleave again. Dora, move.
Ralphie, start going out, please.
2%.
Further back. Okay. Push. Get out. Again, don't touch it till it's on me. Okay, go.
Spheres.
Good job, Ralphie.
I will dispel you now.
Oh god. Get the necro. Wait, please.
Can we have Frost over Mastery?
Now?
No, yeah. Yes.
So, who has sacrifice now?
I do.
Me too.
Okay. Gatekeeper, sacrifice me when we go inside. And Ralphie, later.
Okay, just say it.
Say it later.
It.
Ho ho.
Go on. Kill the
Go on.
sphinx.
Salvation on the mages. Please.
Stack up.
Please stack properly this time.
Look at where the stone is. Look at the stone.
Stuns. Come on.
There's marks.
5.
Defire. 3. Gatekeeper. Good defire.
Okay. Stack behind Lich King.
I have sacrificed.
Save it.
Please on the start, please. I see some people like.
Directly, come.
I'm jumping as hard as possible.
Oh, I'm grabbed.
Defile in 3.
You find now?
Rozovic.
I'll take a pain suppression for the next Reaper, Maiden, in 10 seconds. Pain suppression.
Start snaking.
Defile.
Left.
Look target
Some
of
Guani.
Juani.
Nice.
Bloodlust. Staying down.
Ralphie, you take the next Reaper with Deep Rot.
Okay.
Count up now. Getting wrecked by the balls.
Good job.
Stay
Define
there.
next.
Stay there, Ralphie. Don't pull it so far.
Define next. Spread out.
What? At the start, please.
No, spread out first. Spread out first. And now come back in. On the start.
Hit pain suppression on Rolfie, please, when I say it.
Use
Hold on.
liquid.
I can
Sacrifice him.
Pain suppression, please.
Pain suppression is on cooldown, Ralphie.
Oh, okay.
Ranged on diamond.
Ralphie, do you have sacrifice?
Define next.
Yes.
Oh, just push, push.
Never
push
mind,
the
just
boss.
push it.
Push the boss.
Okay, go out.
Watch out, this one is dangerous.
Spheres.
Gonna ding dong.
Ding dong the boops. Second raging.
Careful. Ralphie, prepare to taunt and face it away from the raid this time, please.
Next raging. Move in. Watch your threat
Kill
on
the
there.
sphere. Kill the sphere. Okay, stop, Ralphie.
Heal ding dong. And rebuff shaman.
Can you mark, please?
Yes.
Yes.
Ah.
I did. You have mark. Rebuff shaman. Please. Rebuff.
Follow the star and please don't go ahead of it. Please.
Never.
Wait in the corner for the bomb. Move a lot.
Warlock, please. Why are you so far
there,
behind?
Gary, you're gonna kite, yeah?
Yeah.
We're coming up in 5.
Going out.
Enrage
now.
last for 15 seconds.
Stay. Okay,
So I
taunt
can
the raging. Nice. Can I get a rest zone?
Yeah, sun, yes. Yes.
I'm resting stick.
How? How?
That was bullshit.
Go to the edge, everyone.
Ralphie, go soak.
Fire is incoming.
5 seconds defense.
Can I get priest buff and sanctuary, please?
It's on it.
What?
No one saw.
Nope.
Shit.
Moving.
I need buffs again.
No rebuff shaman. You lost it now. Shit. Please don't fall behind.
I guess he put follow on me. Move a lot.
Ooh, me?
No, there's pain.
Coming out in 5. Mind the defense.
Going out now.
Spread out. Some gatekeeper.
Someone soak fast.
Get behind.
Stack behind.
Ralphie, desec.
Okay.
Move again.
Just get behind Lich King, guys.
Full rebuff on
Could I
Hunter.
get a sacrifice when you
Defile.
get right now?
Defile.
The body in the
Defile.
row.
Go to the edge.
Soak. Floppy.
Come on, don't die.
Okay.
You need to soak more.
That was kinda my bad.
Can I get a salvation on Giovanni?
Yeah, I need salvation too.
I
Last
use on
chamber.
Giovanni.
Last chamber now. Several first hour mastery, please.
Alright, tell me when.
No, Several, please.
No, he is on shadow.
Druids,
And
Sorrow,
then
your
do it
innovative
now.
here.
Our mastery shadow,
City.
please.
Use it.
Races. So
Okay,
many.
move a lot, move a lot, move a lot. Yes.
Help however you can. Chains of Ice, Death Coil, I don't care.
Can Several do the next hour mastery now?
And Frickening.
Okay. Farm even.
Just now. Just
Desac. Up.
You have it.
Deep mastery.
Going
Okay,
out
no,
in
5.
Yeah.
Mind define after we come out.
And the spirits as well.
And also the spirits, yeah.
Rolf is soak them now. You have to go back more to the Lich King.
Go to the edge, everyone.
Good.
well played.
GG.
Kill.
Good job.
Yeah, baby.
What the hell? Someone just lost his balls.
Mama!
What's that?
Yeah!
Yeah, who was that? What the fuck, dude?
What?
You just raped my ears.
Whew.
Oh, God.
I didn't die twice.
3
No,
times,
you were-
three
you were
times
still
actually
alive at
so
the end.
far.
He was still alive at the end. That means
Yeah,
he
3
didn't die
times,
at all.
right? I died 3 times.
Yeah.
I would have been like 4th or something. That sucks.
Congrats, Faran here. LOD on third chart.
Thank you. Easy.
I have already 3.
We do
Yeah.
TOC real quick, guys. Do we have time
TOC?
for that?
Oh,
Nope.
Wasn't it Ruby Sanctum? I mean, with this damage.
Should be big fast.
thanks for the raid, guys. Thanks everybody for coming and doing LOD again.
Any
Thank you,
bonus
Sarah.
BKP for one shot?
What
On the
Ruby
tank?
saying to him?
Wait,
Yeah,
may I
right.
ask? Can someone link the DBS, please? Mine is bugged. I just
Sure,
want to make
sure.
sure. My
Yeah,
button
you just want to
macro
make
is-
sure.
Yeah, easy. You see that, guys? Just with the one button. Yeah.
Wow, that's actually embarrassing.
How do you do that?
I don't blame him because I know that he genuinely feels bad about it. Brozovic, you're somewhere down there with the healers, don't worry.
Yeah, we are scrolling down.
Wow.
Wow.
Dong, ding dong.
Ding dong.
Oh, he did ding dong for himself.
Yeah.
Oh, crash.
Like no one else got it. Literally.
I could have had Bloodlust 4 times. Just think.
I gave you thought already. I gave you thought. You can just pop off.
Necrotic Plague.
Shit, I got the wrong bomb.
Yay, we did it!
The mount trap!
Oh,
The
I wonder
Warmane
who
drop.
can get the mount today.
The Lauren drop.
Damn.
What the